How do we keep our schools safe? School safety has been an issue since I have attended school. It's the educators' priority to make sure the schools are safe. An issue that has challenged me internally was when I worked in elementary school for 2 years and teachers are leaving exterior doors open or unlocked. In the world we live in today and the school shootings that have occurred close to home, it's important to make sure the buildings are locked at all times. Not only is it important for the doors to be locked, but also exterior windows should be covered. Reflecting back on my experience about doors being opened or unlocked, anyone could have accessed our building. We didn't do the best job at keeping our building secured. Just recently, at the school I attended and worked at, a parent came in with a handgun on her hip. Legally, unless posted, adults can open carry at a public school. That school made changes and posted signs everywhere saying they're a weapon/gun-free zone. Not only are we protecting ourselves, but we're also protecting hundreds of students. If an angry parent was to walk in one of those unlocked or open doors, the staff would have had no clue they were there. I think that every school should have some sort of security cameras. Cameras aren't always the best option because all they do is record what happened. They have no way of preventing something from happening. Local schools around me have recently been adding school resource officers to their buildings. Not everyone agrees with an officer being in a school. People think having cops in a school can cause more harm. I believe there are issues with putting cops into schools, but I also think that if I was to do something harmful and saw a cop, that would make me stop. I think knowing an officer is present helps reduce the crimes. It's a challenge for schools to fully secure their buildings, but they have to do everything they can do to protect the kids. Challenges schools face with security is making sure all the staff follow the guidelines. All doors must be locked and closed at all times. Parents are only allowed to enter through the front office. Parents are not allowed in the hallways, and students are trained to never open the doors. All staff must be trained to keep the school safe. Drills are to happen 3 times a year, which helps making sure the students learn what to do in case an incident occurs. Staff and students are responsible for keeping the building safe. Another challenge is making sure the students know they are safe. If classmates are saying things that can make them feel unsafe, they will not feel safe to attend school. Staff members must address the students saying the things and provide the consequences required. Anonymous apps to report suspicious behaviors is a way for students to feel safe knowing they are anonymous when reporting a friend or a classmate. Last challenge with school safety is being able to provide the right amount of funds. Schools only get so much money a year to spend on security equipment. The most important device to have is security cameras, but those don't exactly keep us safe. Metal detectors would be beneficial to have at the entrance where parents and guardians enter. Having gates around the schools and provide a specific spot for parents to park would make the school a safer place, but those are too expensive pieces of equipment that small schools can't afford. The lessons I learned are make sure you personally know how to act if an incident was to occur. You may not be able to protect everyone, but you can try your best. I learned that if you notice something that isn't safe, report it to the boss or manager. When I noticed the doors being open and locked, I reported to the principal and he addressed the situation with the teachers involved. It's important for staff to be aware of their surroundings, especially when you're outside with students. I also learned that the best thing you can do to provide safety is keeping your doors locked and windows covered. No one should be allowed to see inside the classroom from the outside. This issue is important because as a teacher, you are in charge of multiple students. If an incident was to occur while they were at school, the first person to blame is going to be the teacher. They are the ones responsible for their students from the time they enter the building to the time they leave. We as teachers must provide a safe environment for the students. A way to do so is by making sure our buildings are properly secured at all times.